No one likes standing in a line. Dogs don't like it. Heck, even cats refuse to do it. No surprise there. So when dogs and cats agree on something, anything, you know there's something to it. Why do we hate it so much? Because when you're in a line, that means everyone standing in the line wants the same thing you do. And you can bet your sweet patookies that you're going to pay a lot more for it. You may not be aware of this, but when you go to buy a stock, you are getting in a line. You may not see or even smell that line, but you're in it. Oh, sweet mammy, you are in it. The only way you can get to the front of the line is by offering to pay more than those behind you. So, why all this talk about lines? When it comes to investing, the big dogs make their money when they buy, not when they sell. Ergo, we need to get stuff cheap so we can be sure to make lots of moolah. Ergo, we do this by buying when everyone else wants to sell. Ergo, we want to avoid the lines and high prices because we want to buy when no one else wants it. Whoa, that's a triple ergo. But don't just take it from me. Warren Buffett's dog Spinee once said, and I quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." To put this into terms humans can understand, it means that if you're trying to buy something when everyone else is, you're in the wrong line. And it should be fairly obvious by now that Spinee knows a thing or two about investing. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!